ROI4Presenter integration with HubSpot. Before using the integration, you must have a ROI4Presenter account and at least one presentation available. Installation. Go to the HubSpot Marketplace and find the ROI4Presenter app. Follow the steps to install the app. After successful installation of the application, the ROI4Presenters block will appear in the extension feed, which is located in the lower right corner of the contact page. To connect your HubSpot account to your ROI4Presenter account, click the Sign into ROI4Presenter button. Enter your ROI4Presenter credentials in the login form. If the login is successful, your HubSpot account and ROI4Presenter account will be connected. Assigning a presentation, click the Get Presentation link button. In the modal window, you will see all the presentations that you have access to. If the list of presentations is empty, you must go to the web version of ROI4Presenter and create at least one presentation. Click the Generate Link button next to the presentation you want to assign to a contact. In the Presentation Settings window, fill in the required parameters and click Next. Now the presentation is assigned to the contact. To see the full list of presentations you have assigned to a contact, click Actions View Assigned Presentations. If the contact opens the assigned link, views the presentation, and ends the view, records of those events will be created. They will appear in the activity feed and in the presentation's history. To view a detailed history of all assigned presentations that have been viewed by a contact, click Action See Presentations History. HubSpot Workflow for Group Presentation Assignment. Go to the Workflow section. Create a new workflow. It is desirable that the name of the workflow contains an email or username, since each user will have their own. Create triggers. Open the created action and fill in the presentation field and other required fields. Enable the created workflow so that it can be used. Workflow is ready, you can use it for a single contact or a group of contacts.